Hi guys! Today, I will show you how to open Instagram DMs without them knowing using your Android phone. Just keep on watching this video and let's get started. First, go to Instagram app. Then right here, this is my original account. I will send the message to my other account. Now, let's go to my other account. So right here is the message. So I will send this one without him knowing. But first, I will off my Wi-Fi. Then I will turn on my airplane mode. So now, I will open the message. And then the next step is to log out this account. Then I will turn off my airplane mode. Now, I will close my app. And then, let's turn on the Wi-Fi. So let's go to Instagram again. And let's see here if there is a seen mark. So right here on my message, there is no seen mark here. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!